Why does my internet keep disconnecting? And how to fix it? Does your internet randomly disconnect throughout the day? If your internet keeps randomly disconnecting, your router might be trying to tell you something. Internet that keeps disconnecting usually points to a Wi-Fi, router, or signal problem, and most of the time, you can fix it yourself. Quick fixes for internet that keeps disconnecting. If your internet keeps dropping, start with these quick fixes. Restart your router. Move closer to the router. Disconnect unused devices. Check cables and connections. These simple steps solve many connection issues immediately. Why your internet keeps disconnecting. Internet disconnections usually happen because the signal becomes unstable. They result from weak Wi-Fi signal, router overload, internet service provider problems, interference from other devices. Even if your internet works most of the time, small interruptions can cause constant disconnects. Troubleshoot internet that keeps disconnecting. Troubleshoot internet that keeps disconnecting by following these steps. Step 1. Check your Wi-Fi signal. Start by checking your signal strength. Move closer to the router. Avoid thick walls. Reduce distance when possible. The farther you are from the router, the less stable your connection becomes. Step 2. Restart your router. Next, reboot your router and modem. Unplug for 30 seconds. Plug back in. Wait until it fully reconnects. Restarting your router clears temporary network problems and refreshes your connection. Step 3. Reduce Wi-Fi interference. Other electronics can interfere with your Wi-Fi signal. Keep router away from microwaves. Avoid crowded wireless areas. Separate from Bluetooth devices. Wi-Fi interference can make your internet randomly cut out. Step 4. Check for router or ISP issues. If internet disconnects keep happening, the issue may be with your equipment or provider. Check for ISP outages. Update router firmware. Look for overheating routers. Older routers or service interruptions can cause unstable internet. Step 5. Test multiple devices. Check whether the issue affects one device or everything. Test other phones and laptops. Compare Wi-Fi versus wired connections. Try another network if possible. If only one device disconnects, the issue may be specific to that device. Best practices to stabilize an internet connection. To keep your internet stable long-term, follow these habits. Restart your router occasionally. Keep firmware updated. Place router in an open area. Limit unnecessary connected devices. A strong, clean Wi-Fi setup helps prevent future disconnects. Quick recap. If your internet keeps disconnecting, check your Wi-Fi signal. Restart the router. Reduce interference. Check for ISP problems. Test multiple devices. Improve router placement. Common mistake. One common mistake is placing the router in a hidden corner. It is not a good idea to play the router behind furniture, inside cabinets, near electronics. Router placement has a huge impact on signal quality. You can also check out the full step-by-step guide linked below for more detailed fixes. And if this helped, consider liking the video and subscribing for more SimpleTech help. SimpleTech help. Tech made simple.